Hey Will, you want a beer?
Sorry, dude. Now if only we could make your virginity disappear like that, eh, Jen?
Dale, come on. Hey Will, how's your new job going? I heard you taking photos of birds.
It's actually super fascinating. I've been learning so much from this job. Did you know that hummingbirds are the only orniths that can fly forwards, backwards, and upside down? And they generally weigh about a nickel. You guys, come on.
Sorry, man. What happened to that nice Aussie girl you're saying? Marta?
Yeah. Marta was just a little bit pushy. I wouldn't. You shouldn't. I don't know. I just have this way of making everyone I get close to disappear.
What about that girl from your squash league? Brown hair?
Paris? The girl who gets peanut butter all over all the rackets?
Yes, Paris. You'd be perfect for each other.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
Do you like pineapples on your pizza?
No.
Fork-tailed swift?
Yeah.
Fork off!
Holy Finch!
There it goes! Dale, the day went amazing.
Jen, we went on this incredible hike.
We saw blue jays, red jays,
Chickadees, magpies.
She even successfully called the fork-tailed swift. And then she gave me her pin.
I gave him my pin.
I don't know how to say this, but I think that she's
Absolutely perfect.
Come camping with us this weekend.
Wait, what? What's that?
Hey, Will, where's your walking stick? I forgot my gloves. Oh, well, maybe Paris could be your hands.
No, I haven't told her about my condition yet.
Dude, you gotta.
Come quick. I've just spotted this really stunning colorway on this robin.
Finch!
There.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Will, where are your binoculars? And where's the pin? Are you even a bird nerd? I guess I'll go chop some wood.
How am I supposed to tell her about my condition? She'll think I'm a freak. I am a freak. What kind of human can't even use their own hands? Why can't I be something cool like Spider-Man? Instead of what? I'm stuck never being able to touch another human being my whole life? I can't even touch my own backpack. For this tent? I can't even touch the damn colon.
Will, what are you doing?
Just swing, Paris. Just swing.
No, why?
Because I don't want them anymore. I don't want to rely on my gloves.
Is this about your condition?
You know?
Of course, Jen told me, magic Palmenius.
Paris, I just want to be close to you. I like you, and I don't want to make you disappear.
I don't want you to disappear either. I mean, there's more than one way to make the things that you love disappear. But that's the chance we take. That's why we're out here experiencing each other, learning from one another. I knew about your hands the whole time, and I don't care. I want to take this chance with you. But do you want to take this chance with me?
Absolutely, Paris. Absolutely.
Hey, what are the chances we can get some more beer, you bird brains?
High, Dale. Very high. I'll drive.